In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Shopify store to Instagram Shop. First, make sure your store is ready before you try to connect anything. Shopify says your online store can't be password protected, you need a valid sender email, and you need a Facebook account to use the Facebook and Instagram by Meta sales channel. Shopify also notes that eligibility depends on your store and region. Next, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Sales Channels. Open the Shopify App Store, search for Facebook and Instagram by Meta, and add that sales channel to your store. After installing it, click Start Setup, then Connect Account, and sign in to your Facebook account to continue. Shopify lists this as the official setup flow for connecting Shopify with Facebook and Instagram. After that, connect the Meta assets you want to use. During setup, Shopify and Meta let you link your Facebook page, your business manager or portfolio, and the Instagram account you want, connected to the shop. Meta says this connection allows Shopify products to sync to Commerce Manager, which is the system behind Facebook Shop and Instagram Shopping. Once the account connection is done, your products begin syncing from Shopify to Meta. Shopify says products that are made available to the Facebook and Instagram sales channel can then appear in Facebook Shop and Instagram Shopping. So after setup, review your products in Shopify and make sure the items you want are actually available to that sales channel. Now give Meta time to review and approve the shop. Meta requires businesses to follow its commerce eligibility rules, including representing your business and domain correctly and being in a supported market. If approval is successful, Instagram Shopping can show a shop section on your Instagram profile, and you can start tagging products in eligible posts and stories with checkout happening on your website. One more useful step is enabling data sharing. Shopify's Facebook and Instagram channel also supports Meta Pixel and customer data sharing settings, which can help with tracking and ad performance once your shop is connected. You can manage that inside Sales Channels, then Facebook and Instagram, then Settings. That's how to connect your Shopify store to Instagram Shop. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.